Hey, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna go with another session in trading with binary options on Quadex. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also in the description there's a link to a Telegram group with a lot of useful information you can find about indicators and trading with binary options, as well as promo code, my personal promo code for you guys when you make your deposit on Quadex and you get a bonus. Let's go straight to the video, and today we're gonna start today with $4, and this tactics is working for, if you're a beginner, you can also start with something small, and then just make sure to check out the link to the Telegram group. Right now we have a few indicators on. I'm gonna start straight away without just further ado. We're gonna go with a call option for $4 and 1 minute. And guys, so yeah, check out the description for the Telegram group. There's a lot of information explaining how the indicators work. Right now we have alligator and we have MACD indicator. So yeah, stick around and see what we're gonna do today from $4. Here we go, our first profit is $764, and we're gonna use that straight away, $7 for the next option. Let's change the currency to this one here, and we're gonna go and see which one is the next option. Right now, from what I see here, the price is, it looks like it's going down, so maybe a put option is a good choice here. Although, unless it's gonna go up now, this candle, I'm just waiting for this candle. If it starts going up, maybe it's a call option, because 1 minute is not a long time, so maybe that's what we gotta do. So right now this is looking like it is climbing up a little. Oh, actually, well, let's wait for this one. Yeah, it's going up, so we're gonna go with the call option. And here we are, $7, 1 minute call option. And here we have our profit from this second option is $13.09. So $13, we're gonna use that for the next option. So let's go straight to the next one, and I think I'm gonna go to which one should I stay here? Actually, I don't like to stay on the same currency unless it's something really obvious and good, so I'm gonna go to this currency here. And what I see, I'm gonna go with probably a put option here, because the price looks like it's going down. So let's go 1 minute and a put option. And here we have another profit. It's 24.31 cent. What I'm gonna do next is I really wanna check out options, not the binary options, but the options on the times, on maybe this currency here. So what's it look like? The price is going down, so I mean, this is probably for 30 seconds, it's probably a call option, so it's like an opposite tactic here most of the time. You see, that's so yeah, so we see the pattern, and we're gonna go with a call option here. $315.15 on this option earned, guys. So we're gonna switch that to $315, and I'm gonna go with the next option. It's going to be let's have a look. This one, USD. Okay, we're gonna go with this first one, and let's have a look. Right, so the price is going down, and we have time for it. Yeah, let's do a put option here. Here we have 589.05. So 589 plus on our account, 580 for the next option. Again, 30 seconds, we're gonna keep it short this time. I think we can push it even further like this, unless we have no luck, but I'm pretty sure, like, the way we tackle it, so we'll have will have the luck. So okay, this currency here, we're gonna go with a call option, and ooh, yeah, it's definitely a call option here. Okay, so put option, because I'm just afraid that it's not gonna go up in 30 seconds. Maybe if it was 1 minute, it's a bit better, but 30 seconds is so volatile. God. Okay, see, yeah. Here we have $1,107 of profit, and now that means that we're gonna go with an option that is 1,000. So maximum is 1,000, so we're just gonna make this one option for 1,000 and at the moment. So the payout is gonna be on this one, for example, it's 87%, and so that's what we're gonna do. 1,000, and here I'm gonna close this, and so 30 seconds. I'm gonna go with an option with the call option here. Here we have, guys, we have our profit, and this is $1,870. So we made 87% on this, so $870 just from this one option. And the next one you see is gonna be another 1,000. Okay, so let's have a look. We're gonna go with the next currency. Okay, here is probably a call option here. Let's go with a call option for 1,000 again, 30 seconds. Let's wait. Here we have, guys, 1,910. This payout is higher, is 91%, and so it's $910. So now we have the possibility to do multiple options. That means we're gonna do, since the 1,000 is the maximum, we're gonna do 2 options of 1,000 each at a time. Multiple options. That's the other key of growing this balance exponentially. So let's go with a put option here. Bam and bam. Next one. Okay. Just wait. Oh, that's all right. Okay, so we have, they're a bit different, but we're gonna wait 30 seconds, and here we have, oh, one just came back to us. It didn't play out. Another one did though. So we have, so one of them made us $870, which is it's not bad. And we just had the other one returned to us, which is also great. At least we didn't lose it. So now we have 3,767. We're gonna go to this option again, and we're gonna go and place multiple options as well. So this looks like the price is going down, so we're gonna place a multiple put options, a 1, a 2, and a 3, and that's it. We wait 30 seconds. Here we have, guys, the 3 of them played out as and made 910 each. So $910 by 3, which is 1,800 and 2,700. So now we're gonna go to this option here, and so you see, guys, how that works out. We have made 5x on each, so from just one option, just by making it multiple 5 times. And here we have 4 and 5 options again for $1,000 and 30 seconds. It's a call options, indication is clearly showing, especially MACD, I mean alligator as well. So let's see, let's wait. Here we have, guys, we just made another great amount of of money on these options, so 15,197 on our account. We're gonna make another few options. So this one here is clearly showing, so 1 2 3 4 5, and clearly the indication is clearly showing that the prices is gonna go up eventually, or you know, because but only 30 seconds we can pretty much play with it the way we do, because it's only 30 seconds, so we kind of make opposite of what's coming. So usually you would place, so if you have 1 minute, 1 minute and a half, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you would act differently. Here we have, guys, all of our options played out. As you see, 19,547.24 cents. So we have $19,500 just from $4. Just from $4. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're gonna stop here. Don't forget to like if you like the content. Don't forget about the description to this video. Make sure to check it out. There's a promo code, my personal promo code for you to use. If you make your deposit with Quadex, you can get the bonus. I'll see you all next time. All the best. Good luck.